Who are you?
Once you know, your life will never be the same.
I can take it.
Not this time. Ollie.
Our breakfast over a bullet. What's wrong? Look, I know I'm skinny, but I can eat 2 of these, and I will.
I just ran into an old boyfriend. Just worried that he might tell my family that I'm back.
You have family in Starling?
Yeah. My father, he's a policeman. And my sister, she's a lawyer.
Wow, they must be real proud of their masked delinquent.
Yeah, they think I'm dead.
Oh, cool. My folks think I'm dead, too. That, or they wish I'd never been born. One of those. Why don't you want them to know that you're still alive?
Because I'm not what they remember.
Good little daddy's girl.
She's far from it. I was a lot like you.
Is that why you saved me from those guys that night?
No woman should ever suffer at the hands of men.
See how you do in a real fight.
Good. I was looking for a fight.
Load up the weapon, now!
Behind you.
Old school weapon. Come on, where are you?
You hurt a friend of mine.
Let him go.
You can't save a city with forgiveness.
You don't have to forgive him. But you do have to let him live. Bitch, knew you didn't have me.
I really don't like that word.
Your friend took care of her medical expenses.
Thank you. Look, I don't want you to see
What's
me.
your plan, Sarah? Because right now you're whipping across rooftops and keeping watch over your family like some sort of ghost.
We're both ghosts. We died on that island.
No, we didn't. We both lived. And I get that you have been in pain so long that it probably just feels normal now, but you can let it go and come home. I mean, I know that the earthquake brought you here, but your family kept you here. You have to tell them, Sarah. They need you.
You told them that I died on the gambit. If they know the truth.
They would never talk to me again. Not one of them. It'd be worth it.
My daughter's in trouble.
Well, I guess, like we said in our meetings, more will be revealed.
Find this guy.
I don't want you to.
What do you mean?
He wasn't after you, Ollie. He's after me.
Who is he?
He's called Alawal the First. And he's a member of the League of Assassins.
Wait. The League of Assassins? I thought they were a myth.
What's the League of Assassins? And please don't say it's a league made up of assassins.
No, it's an urban legend. I heard about them in Afghanistan from a tribal leader. He claimed there was an ancient sect of assassins, deadly warriors that killed and vanished like ghosts. Thought he was smoking what he was selling.
I tried to tell you, Ollie, but you wouldn't listen.
That's where you've been the past 4 years. That's where you learned to fight. You're one of them.
After the freighter, a member of the League rescued me, took me in, and brought me to Nanda Parbat. They remade me into what I am. And I swore them my allegiance.
Why are they kicking down doors trying to find you now?
Because I left. And there's only one way that you leave the League.
Is that why you didn't want to see your family?
A year ago, I was in Guyana. I was sent there for a man named Suarez. He was a local diplomat. And I slit his throat in his bed. And his kids, they found his body in the morning. I'm a murderer, Ollie. You think that my family will be happy to see me?
Well, I can't believe I didn't think to look for you up here.
It's a good vantage point. You can see the whole city.
Like a bird on a wire.
Where I was, they have you choose a new name. I chose Ta'ir al-Safar. It's Arabic for canary.
I bought you that canary when you were 10.
I was as far from home as you can get, but I never forgot where I came from. You know how they say the first thing you forget about somebody when they're gone is their voice? You can remember their face and the way they move, but you can't hold on to the way they sound. I never forgot your voice, Dad.
Sweetie.
We're out of time.
What the hell, Sarah? Who are these guys?
Associates of your daughter, Officer Lance.
She always did have the worst taste in French.
Did you really think we could not find you here?
No. I knew you would.
Now!
You should be mindful of your surroundings.
For Sarah, I know wouldn't have betrayed us and fled Nanda Parbat under the cover of darkness.
I didn't have a choice. The earthquake. I needed to see my family, make sure they were safe.
And so they are. Now come home.
I can't. Look, I can't go back, Nyssa. I don't have much of a soul left in me. But what there is, it can't take the killing anymore.
You swore an oath. My father sent me here to make sure you honor it. One way or another.
We both know the real reason why you came here.
When I found you, you were starving and alone, simply waiting to die. The League took you in, nursed you back to health. The only reason you're alive today is because of me.
Hey, I wasn't with you because you saved me. I was with you because I loved you.
But not anymore.
Ross listens to you, and you can ask him to release me.
My father's never released anyone from the League.
He released Malcolm Merlin.
An action he and the citizens of the city dearly regret.
that you have to.
I don't know what to do. He's too far ahead. I mean, he spent years planning this. He knows everything about me. I can't. I don't know how to stop it.
You start by letting people help you.
But he's gonna come after you. You're alive. Because Shadow isn't.
And when he does, do you think it'll make a difference whether or not we're together? Let him come. I'm not the girl he knew on the island. I'm not that easy to kill. Together?
Together.
Sara, where have you been?
Doesn't matter.
Why did you come back?
I don't know. There isn't anything here for me.
Your family's here.
You don't know, Laurel, about me, about who I am and who I've become.
I know you're a hero.
I'm not a hero, Laurel. I am the furthest thing from it. I am Tahir al-Safer. That was my new name. Because the woman that I was, the girl that I was gone.
I'm not gonna pretend that I've been through anything that you have. One thing that I've learned in the past year is that these things, they don't break us. They make us who we are.
What I am is irredeemable.
What was that word you said before?
Tahir al-Safer.
What does that mean?
It means the Canary.
If you're so far gone and so irredeemable, then why would they know you by such a beautiful name?
Delta Charlie 52 to Central, copy. Delta Charlie 52 to Central, copy. Delta Charlie 52 to Central, please copy me now. Delta Charlie 52 to Central.
She's fine.
Who was that? That's the Canary.